Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the best products on the market so you don't have to. Today, we're getting our hands dirty, literally, with the best working gloves for men. VGO. 15 pairs safety work gloves. These gloves aren't your average hand protectors. They're designed for heavy-duty use across a range of tasks, from construction to gardening and everything in between. Let's dive into what makes these gloves stand out. First off, durability. These gloves are built to last. Constructed with a highly flexible seamless polyester liner and a tough polyurethane coating, they offer unbeatable resistance to abrasions and wear. You won't find yourself tearing through pairs like tissue paper. These bad boys are in it for the long haul. And don't worry about getting them dirty. These gloves are machine washable for easy cleaning and maintenance. No more grime and grit lingering on your hands after a hard day's work. Just toss them in the wash, let them dry, and they're good as new. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're on the construction site, in the garden, or tackling DIY projects around the house, these gloves have you covered. Their flexible design and secure knit wrist fit make them comfortable for all-day wear, while still providing the dexterity you need to get the job done right. And here's the kicker. These gloves are CA65 approved and comply with EU REACH regulations, so you can trust that they meet the highest safety standards. Plus, with 15 pairs in a pack, you'll always have a spare set on hand when duty calls. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best working gloves for men, look no further than VGO. 15 pairs safety work gloves. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay safe and keep on working.